Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe and sound at your homes. Okay, children, today we are going to begin with our next chapter, that is chapter 13 of GK, and the name of the chapter is Marine Pollution. Marine means related to sea. Children, we all are well aware that pollution in oceans and seas is increasing at a rapid speed, and we really need to control this because this pollution is causing a great harm to all the sea creatures. So today we are going to read the different ways in which this pollution can be controlled. So let's get started. The flow of plastic into our environment has reached crisis proportions, and the evidence is most clearly on display in our oceans. So it is written that the increase in plastic pollution has reached crisis proportions. Crisis means intense, difficult capacity, a very huge amount, you can say. Here it refers to. And the evidence means proof, is most clearly on display. Display means visible. So, and we can see the proof of it in our oceans. It is estimated that up to 12 million metric tons of plastic enter our oceans each year. So it is estimated that approximately 12 million metric tons of plastic is released into the oceans. इतना प्लास्टिक हर साल ओशंस में से निकाला जाता है. इतना प्लास्टिक we can find out in the oceans. Our oceans are slowly turning into a plastic soup. और कहते हैं ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे जो हमारे ओशंस है ना, वो तो एक प्लास्टिक का सूप बन के रह गए हैं. एंड द इफ़ेक्ट्स on ocean life are chilling, and the effect of release of plastic into the ocean is chilling. It is really dil dehla dene wala hai, because this is causing a great damage to the sea life. How can I help prevent marine pollution and save sea creatures? So different methods are given, ways are given, which can be adopted by human beings to control ocean pollution. Fish populations are rapidly decreasing all over the world due to growing demand for consumption, loss of habitat, and unsustainable fishing practices. So, जो fish की population है, that is decreasing all over the world because of different reasons. First reason is the consumption demand is increasing. लोग आजकल नॉन वेज में फ़िश को ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं, तो सो कंजम्पशन हैज़ इंक्रीज्ड, demand for consumption has increased. This is one reason that why the fish population is decreasing. Second reason is loss of habitat. Fishes का जो natural home है, that is the seas, the oceans, the river, the water bodies you can say, वो ख़त्म हो रहे हैं. आपको पता ही है कि ग्लोबल वार्मिंग है, तो ड्यू टू विच द वाटर बॉडीज़ दीज आर गेटिंग रिड्यूस्ड डे बाय डे. तो नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट, जो नेचुरल होम है फ़िश का, वो वाटर बॉडीज़ हैं, तो वो कम हो रही हैं, तो ऑब्वियसली उनका लॉस ऑफ हैबिटेट हो रहा है. देन third reason is an unsustainable fishing practices. Unsustainable means non-supportive. जो फिशिंग की प्रैक्टिसेस हैं, जो लोग फ़िश को पकड़ते हैं, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉन सपोर्टिव फॉर द fish community, you can say. When shopping or dining out, help reduce the demand for overexploited species. So when you go for shopping or you are going out, you should help reduce in the demand. So say no to fish. Avoid eating fish by choosing seafood that is both healthy and sustainable. और उसकी जगह पर क्या खाना चाहिए? Seafood. There are things, और भी चीज़ें हैं सी फूड में which are healthy and sustainable. The next is plastic that can end up in the oceans as debris cause habitat destruction. अब फिश का जो नेचुरल हैबिटेट है, दैट इज़ वाटर बॉडीज़, उनको उसको डिस्ट्रॉय, उसको रुइन होने से कैसे बचाया जाए. A few points, suggestions are given, and they cause the death of marine creatures as they get entangled in debris and nets. And this release of plastic is not only causing habitat destruction, उनके सिर्फ natural environment को disturb नहीं कर रहा, but it is also causing the death of marine creatures. जो marine creatures हैं उनकी एक डेथ का भी कॉज है. कैसे? क्योंकि समटाइम्स ये जो डेब्रिस है, यानी रूइंस, रिमेन्स, टूटी फूटी चीज़ों का जो बाकी का हिस्सा है, दैट इज़ नोन एज डेब्रिस, वो कभी इन उस डेब्रिस में फंस जाते हैं जो सी क्रिएचर्स हैं, या कभी नेट में फंस जाते हैं. सो दिस इज़ ऑल कॉजिंग द destruction of fish. To limit your contribution to ocean debris, carry a reusable water bottle. So whenever you go by the seaside, जब भी आप बीच पर जाते हो तो you should carry reusable water bottles, not the use and throw ones. Disposable water bottles नहीं यूज़ करनी चाहिए. हमेशा अपने साथ reusable water bottles लेकर जाओ. Then stored food in नॉन डिस्पोजेबल कंटेनर्स. ये नहीं कि डिस्पोजेबल कंटेनर्स में फूड पैक किया और ले गए, खाना खाया वहाँ पर एंड सब कुछ वहीं पर थ्रो कर दिया. नो, वी शुड यूज़ नॉन डिस्पोजेबल कंटेनर्स. ब्रिंग योर ओन क्लॉथ बैग और अदर रीयूजेबल बैग व्हेन शॉपिंग, and recycle whenever possible. And whenever you go for shopping, you should carry your own cloth bag and try to recycle the things whenever possible. The next is, when you enjoy, whether you enjoy diving, surfing or relaxing on the beach, always clean up after yourself. Suppose आपको डाइविंग करना अच्छा लगता है, या सर्फिंग इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ स्पोर्ट, वाटर स्पोर्ट, और यहाँ बीच पर रिलैक्स करने के लिए जाते हो, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट व्हेन यू आर लीविंग दैट प्लेस, क्लीन योर सराउंडिंग्स. ये नहीं कि जो आपका सामान है वहीं पर, मतलब जैसे पहले हमने डिस्कस किया अभी कि अपने कंटेनर्स या वाटर बॉटल्स को वहीं छोड़ के. नो, यू शुड नॉट डू लाइक दैट. यू शुड ऑलवेज clean up the surroundings. Explore and appreciate the ocean without interfering with wildlife or removing rocks or corals. And you should, appreciate and explore the ocean without interfering with the wildlife. यानी sea creature की life में you should try not to interfere at any cost or by removing rocks and corals. Now, what are corals? Corals are the stony substances secreted by certain marine animals as an external skeleton. अब कई marine animals जो हैं वो अपना external जो skin होती है ना वो छोड़ देते हैं, तो वो फिर सी बेड में जाकर इकट्ठा हो जाता है, और वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हार्ड सब्सटेंस होता है. जो मूंगा पत्थर होता है ना, इट इज़ कोरल ओनली, राइट? एंड इट इज़ द एक्सटर्नल स्केलेटन टिपिकली फॉर्मिंग लार्ज रीफ्स इन द वार्म सीज. और जब ये स्केलेटन्स इकट्ठे होते हैं तो वो लार्ज रीफ इज़ ridge of jagged sand just above or below the surface of the sea. कह लो एक चट्टान है, जो रिज होती है ना, इट इज़ चट्टान, मतलब कोरल की चट्टान नीचे सी बेड के पास बनी हुई है, चाहे वो अबव द सी है या बिलो द सर्फेस ऑफ द सी. यू शुड नेवर ट्राई टू डिस्टर्ब द सी. Go even further by encouraging others to respect the marine environment or by participating in local beach cleanups. Not only this, that you should keep the surroundings clean, rather you should motivate the people around you, those who have come to the beach, to keep the surroundings clean. And you can even participate in local beach cleanups campaigns. कई बार आपके सोसाइटी वाले या कोई लोग जहाँ आप रहते हो, they also organize ocean cleanup projects, so you should actively participate in that project. Children, are you aware that there are certain products that contribute to harming of fragile means very delicate or weak, coral reefs and marine creatures? चिल्ड्रन, कई प्रोडक्ट्स ऐसे हैं जो कि कोरल रीफ के लिए दे आर वेरी हार्मफुल एंड इवन फॉर मेरीन क्रिएचर्स ऑल्सो. नाउ वी शुड अवॉइड परचेजिंग आइटम्स which are made up of coral jewelry or tortoise shell hair accessories and shark products. Means जो भी सी में क्रिएचर्स पाए जाते हैं उनसे जो चीज़ें बनी हुई हैं, जो या जो हमारे नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट में द थिंग्स विच आर फाउंड, वी शुड नॉट use the things which are made from the flesh of any animal or from the even the teeth or even like the outer shell. We should avoid using such things. अगर हम वो चीज़ें बाय करना बंद कर देंगे, बेटा डिमांड ख़त्म हो जाएगी, then obviously nobody will cause harm to the sea creatures. Next point is give a thought to seafood sustainability when choosing a diet for your pet. So when you are choosing a diet for your pet animal, so you should think over it about the seafood sustainability. Sustainability means the ability to maintain a certain level, कि किस लेवल तक वो चीज़ अवेलेबल है, कितनी क्वांटिटी अवेलेबल है उस चीज़ की. सो यू शुड कीप ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन आवर माइंड, बिकॉज सी डिमांड इंक्रीज होती जाएगी तो लोग सी में से उन चीज़ों को एक्सट्रैक्ट करते जाएंगे, निकालते जाएंगे, राइट. सो अगर डिमांड ही नहीं होगी तो वो चीज़ों को फिर नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट को नोबडी इज़ गोइंग टू डिस्टर्ब. सो व्हेन यू आर परचेजिंग फूड फॉर योर पेट्स, kindly read what is written on that and don't buy the things which are made from the things which are available in the sea, and do not flush cat litter which can contain pathogens harmful to marine life. And we should never ever flush cat litter into the water bodies because it can contain pathogens which is harmful to marine life. कभी भी हमें जो कैट का लेफ्ट ओवर फूड है उसको फ्लश नहीं करना चाहिए. फ्लश मीन्स टू एक्सेसिव रिलीज ऑफ वाटर टू रिमूव डर्ट और समथिंग. तो हमें कभी भी जो कैट का लिटर है, लेफ्ट ओवर फूड है, we should never release it into water bodies because it contains pathogens which is harmful to marine life. Next is never release any aquarium fish into the ocean or other water bodies as it can introduce non-native species harmful to the existing ecosystem. So children, as you all know that some people, they are having aquarium at their home. Now after some time they start after some time they sometimes get bored of keeping it, and then they think of releasing the fish into the water body and not keep the aquarium at their home. No bache, never ever release the fish of aquarium into water bodies because the non-native species cause harm to the existing ecosystem. Last point is practice responsible boating. So when you're going for boating, be a responsible human being. Kayaking is a small watercraft propelled by double blade paddle. मतलब जो ऐसा वो होती है, एक watercraft होता है which is propelled by double blades, and other recreational activities on water. So we should be responsible when we are going for recreational activities on the water, and never throw anything overboard, and beware of marine life in the water around you. And we should never ever throw anything in overboard. Over means over the side of ship or boat, right? So मतलब जब आप बोट या शिप में जा रहे हो तो you should never ever throw anything over the board. Over the board means over the side of ship or boat into water. कभी भी आपको पानी में कुछ भी नहीं फेंकना है. And beware of the marine life in the waters around you. And you should be well aware, be responsible, and realize that in the water that is around you, there are creatures who are living in that environment. So be sensitive and try to, save your earth, and you are the only one who can contribute to saving environment, may it be pollution of water or pollution of land or anything of that sort. It is we the human beings who are responsible for controlling it, and we all should, make it a point that we should never ever disturb or buy the things which can cause harm to the sea creatures or any other living being. Thank you so much, children, for watching this video.